Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you if your Samsung Galaxy Buds3 FE do have the LDAC codec and how to check that. So actually this is a very easy issue to cover. It's because no, these headphones do not have the LDAC codec, LDAC LDAC codec, no matter. And to check that, if you want to make sure that the headphones don't support the LDAC codec, at first you have to be sure that your phone do support the LDAC codec. Then go to settings, scroll all the way down, tap about phone, scroll all the way down again, tap build number until you see you are a developer. Then go back, tap system right there, scroll down, tap developer options, and scroll all the way down. Not all the way down until you see Bluetooth and HD audio right there. Make sure that this is enabled and tap Bluetooth audio code. No, this one, not this one. Bluetooth audio codec. You should see LDAC here, or if not here, you should see this option, Bluetooth audio LDAC codec playback quality. You should see this option, not grayed out. And actually, that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.